Good morning, student. In last video, we did the question of NCERT exercise 7.1, question number 1 to 10. Today, we are going to do the question 11th onward. So, the question number 11 is integrate x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square dx. So, first of all, the most important thing is that how we will attempt this question. So, see in numerator, there are 3 terms and denominator only 1 term. So, first of all, we will separate the terms. So, on separation, x cube upon x square, then 5x square upon x square, then minus 4 upon x square. So, required integral x cube upon x square dx plus 5 coefficient. A constant as common, so x square upon x square dx minus 4 into 1 upon x square dx. So this is after just separation of each term. Now simplify x cube upon x square. So integral of x dx 3. Both the base are same. Power is 3 and 2. Denominator की power को numerator में ले जाएंगे. 3 minus 2 that is power 1. Plus 5 here x square से x square one time cancel हो जाएगा तो 1 dx minus 4 1 upon x square power को numerator में लेंगे तो x की power minus 2 dx. Now we will use which formula? X की power n integration x की power देखिए यहाँ लिख देता हूँ formula integration of x की power n dx is equals to x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus of c. So finally integral I is equals to x square upon 2 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 5 1 is the derivative of x. So 1 का integration x के respect x minus 4 x की power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus of c. So required answer is x square by 2 plus 5x minus 4 देखिए minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, so this will be plus and x की power minus 1 उसको अपन 1 upon x लिख देंगे plus of c. So this is the required answer. Please pause the video and note down. Next question number 12. Integrate x cube upon root of x plus 3x upon root of x plus 4 upon root of x full dx. देखिए न्यूमरेटर में क्या दे रखा है x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x. मैंने डायरेक्टली इसको सेपरेट कर दिया है. Now इंटीग्रल x cube minus 1 by 2 that is x की power 5 by 2 dx. x की power 1 minus 1 by 2 so plus 3 x की power 1 by 2 dx plus 4 out x की power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now simply integration x की power n dx is x की power n plus 1 whole n plus 1 plus of c. So this formula we will use in every term. So required integral will be x की power 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 as it is x की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus of c. So finally integral will be x की power 7 by 2 whole upon 7 by 2 that is 2 by 7 plus 3 x की power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2 that is 2 by 3 that plus of 4 x की power 1 by 2 whole upon 1 by 2 that is 2 upon 1. So finally the required answer is 2 by 7 x raised to the power 7 by 2 plus 3 से 3 cancel हो जाएगा 2x power 3 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 root of x plus of c. So this is the integral of this. Now please pause the video, note down question number 12. Next question number 30. integrate x cube minus x square plus of x minus 1 whole upon x minus 1 dx. Now, in numerator, there are 4 terms, in denominator 2 terms. So, by factorization of numerator first, then we will separate. So, integral x cube minus x square में से अगर मैं x square कॉमन लेता हूँ तो x minus 1 इस वाली टर्म में मैं अगर प्लस 1 कॉमन लेता हूँ x minus 1 whole upon x minus 1 dx. Now on separation, integral x square into x minus 1 whole upon x minus 1 dx. This x minus 1 will cancel out, and this is integral x minus 1 whole upon x minus 1 dx. This will be again cancel out. So required integral x square dx plus of 1 dx. So finally I is equals to x cube by 3 plus x plus of 3. That's your answer. Please pause the video and note down. Next question number 14. Integrate 1 minus x into root x dx. And question number 15. Integrate root of x into 3x square plus 2x plus of 3 dx. Now we will do these two questions. First, 1 minus x into root x. So we will multiply root x first by 1, then minus of x into root x. So the term will be separated easily. So 1 into root x, that is x power 1 by 2 dx, minus x into root x, that is 1 plus 1 by 2, x raised to the power 3 by 2 dx. Now using integral x की power n dx, x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus of c. So I is equals to x power 1 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus of c. So this is the question number 14. That's a very easy question. Similarly, in this question also, root x will be multiplied inside and we will separate directly. So I is equals to root x into x की power 2. So 3 will be out, x की power 2 plus 1 by 2, that is x की power 5 by 2 dx plus 2 out, x की power 3 by 2 dx plus 3 out, x की power 1 by 2 dx. Now using formula, integration x raised to the power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus of c. Implies that I will be 3 as it is x की power 5 by 2, n is 5 by 2. So x power 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2, x की power 3 by 2. So x की power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3, x की power n is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus of c. Pause the video and note down. Next question 16. Integrate 2x minus 3 cos x plus e raised to the power x dx. And question number 17 is integrate 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x dx. So first of all, we have to see how we will start the question, on which concept the question will start. So let us see here some functions are. First function is f2x, then minus 3 cos x plus then ex. So here basically three functions, these are additive and subtractive. So first of all, we will use the fundamental rule, integration of additive or subtractive functions. So first we will separate the function. So integrate 2x dx minus integrate 3 cos x dx plus integrate e to the power x dx. So whenever functions are in additive, subtractive or additive form, then just we have to separate the function. So first concept is, then अगर constant into function है तो constant को we will take common. So अगली step 2 into x dx, that is x power 1. Here 3 will be common. So cos x dx plus integration e की power x dx. Now x की power n, integration of cos x, then e की power n, all three formula. So I is equals to 2 into x की power 2 upon 2 minus 3 cos x का integration sin x. So sin x plus e की power x का e की power x upon x का डेरिवेटिव 1, so 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, कोई नहीं फर्क पड़ता. So इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले आपको देखना है कि कौन कौन से फॉर्मूले यूज हुए. So सबसे पहले इंटीग्रेशन fx प्लस gx माइनस hx. अगर फंक्शन एडिटिव एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिव फॉर्म में हो तो सबसे पहले वी हैव टू सेपरेट द फंक्शन एंड इंटीग्रेट. सो fx dx प्लस gx dx माइनस hx dx. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट जो अपन ने यहां यूज किया. देन कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज हुआ इसमें? इंटीग्रेशन x की पावर n dx, दैट इज x की पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 प्लस ऑफ c. Then next कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज हुआ? इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट इनटू फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन. These are the concept. When constant into functions are in product form, then constant will be taken as out, function whatever उसका अपन इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. तो ये अपन ने कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ यूज लिया. Then इंटीग्रेशन, सिंपली इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos x dx क्या है? That is sin x plus of c. And integration e की power x dx e की power x plus of c. So in this way you have to explain. This question is very simple, but what type of concept we used in this question? इतने से छोटे से क्वेश्चन में इतने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हो रहे हैं. इन सारे कॉन्सेप्ट को आपको समझना है. इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप क्वेश्चन करेक्ट कर रहे हैं. इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि हाउ यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग द क्वेश्चन एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट used in the solution of the question, that you should understand. So hope all the things are clear. Please pause the video now. Now see, in the same question number 70, again see, here first function, second function and third function. So first on separation, integral 2x square dx minus 3 sin x dx plus 5 root x dx. देखिए पहले फंक्शन से एडिटिव सब्ट्रैक्टिव सेपरेट कर दिया. नाउ हर फंक्शन में कांस्टेंट है, कांस्टेंट इनटू फंक्शन. कांस्टेंट को लेंगे अपन बाहर, x square dx minus 3 sin x dx plus 5 root of x dx. Now 2 into x cube by 3 minus 3 sin x का minus cos x, so plus cos x plus 5 x की power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2 plus of c. So this is the required integral. Please pause the video and note down. Question number 18. Question number 18 is integrate sec x into sec x plus 10x dx. And in 19, integrate sec square x upon cosec square x dx. Let us see the question number 18. Sec x into sec x plus 10x. So first of all, we will multiply the sec x inside. So integral sec x into sec x, integral sec square x dx plus हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर रहे हैं और सेपरेट भी कर रहे हैं. Now sec x into sec x sec square x था और sec x into 10x, that is sec x 10x dx. Now both are in integrable form. See, sec square x किसका डेरिवेटिव है? 10x का. Means एंटी डेरिवेटिव sec square x जिसका डेरिवेटिव है वही आपका आंसर है. Again see, sec x 10x किसका डेरिवेटिव है? sec x का. So integral of sec square x will be 10x plus integral of sec x 10x will be sec x plus of c. That's your answer. In question number 19, first this is not in standard form, so we will convert first in standard form. So integral I is equal to sec square x को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 1 upon cos square x into cosec square को 1 upon sin square, तो sin square x ऊपर चला जाएगा dx. Now sin square upon cos square, that is integration of tan square x dx. Now tan square x is not integrable. यहाँ अपन एक आइडेंटिटी यूज लेंगे. We know that 1 plus tan square x जो है वो sec square x होता है. That's very basic identity. In class 10 हमने पढ़ी थी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस में 1 plus tan square is equals to sec square. यहाँ से tan square x की अगर अपन वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो it will be sec square x minus 1 को राइट में ट्रांसफर कर दिया. So now tan square x is not in integrable form, so tan square x will be replaced by sec square x minus 1. So integral sec square x minus 1 whole dx. Now on separation, integral of sec square x dx minus integral of 1 dx. Sec square x किसका डेरिवेटिव है? 10x का. So integral of sec square x will be 10x. 1 किसका डेरिवेटिव x का? तो minus x plus of c. That's your answer. So very basic questions. Please pause the video and note down. Now question number 21. Antiderivative. Integrate the antiderivative of root x plus 1 upon root x dx. Very simple is equal. देखिए सिंपल इंटीग्रेशन x की पावर 1 by 2 dx प्लस इंटीग्रेशन x की पावर minus 1 by 2 dx सेपरेट कर दिया. तो x की पावर n प्लस 1 3 by 2 होल अपॉन 3 by 2, उसको मैं 2 by 3 बाहर लिख दूंगा. Then plus x की पावर minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 होल अपॉन 1 by 2, उसको मैं 2 upon 1 लिख दूंगा plus of c. So option is C is correct. C option is correct. Then question number 22. If d by dx of fx is equals to 4x cube minus of 3 by x की power 4 such that f2 is equals to 0, then what is fx? Fx will be equals to integration 4x cube dx minus 3x की power minus 4 dx. So fx will be equals to 4 into x की power 4 upon 4, x cube का इंटीग्रेशन है n plus 1 upon n plus 1, minus 3 into x की power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 plus of c. So f of x will be equals to 4 से 4 cancel हो गया, x की power 4 and this x की power minus 3 and this is minus 3. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस, 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, देखो 3 इस माइनस 4 प्लस 1 माइनस 3, माइनस माइनस प्लस, 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो गया, into 1 upon x cube plus of c. That's your final answer. Now we have given that f2 बराबर 0. f2 जैसे ही मैं x की जगह 2 पुट अप करता हूं तो f2 0 के बराबर होगा. So given that f2 बराबर 0, it means 2 की पावर 4 plus 1 upon 2 की पावर 3 plus of c should be equal to 0. 2 की पावर 4 का मतलब 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is 16 plus 1 upon 2 की पावर 3, that is 8 plus of c is equals to 0. Implies that c will be equals to c will minus of 16 plus 1 by 8. So it will be equals to c into minus 8 6 48 का 8 carry 4, 8 1 जा 8 4 12 minus 1 28 upon 8 is the value of c. So we will put the value of c here. So final answer will be x की पावर 4 plus 1 upon x cube minus 128 upon 8. This is the given function. So see which option is correct. Option is x की power 4 plus 1 upon x cube minus 128 plus 1. Sorry. So 129 upon 8. क्योंकि c की वैल्यू minus 129 upon 8 है. So x की पावर 4 plus 1 upon x cube minus 129 upon 8, which is A option. So correct answer is A. Hope you like this video. Please like it and share it. In next video we will do next exercise, that is 7.2. Thank you.